Hello guys, I am Yatin Kaushik and I am today gonna show you how to use the Fiitjee tab like the normal tab as I am using it here you can see here I am using it, and I can also use Fiitjee apps along with the normal apps. So I am gonna show you how to do it, and I am also able to open notification bar. So let's get started. First of all, we have to press power button and volume down button together for about 10 seconds. And now this tab is gonna restart. Let's wait. Now this is about to power on. Yeah, so this is open. Oh my god. Now press this power button for 2 seconds, then side key settings, then press this button and then search for reset settings. Yeah, then click on reset settings and then reset. We have to draw the pattern. Yeah, I did it. Now this will get restart. Enter the wait, 1 second. Enter the password. Now let's wait for the fitness screen to come. Yeah, then go to side key settings. Scroll down and search for apps. And there is a app named Android 10 Common. Click on it. Now force stop it. You will get a glimpse of the home screen, but you won't be able to access it. Oh yeah, one more task remaining. Yeah, connect to Wi-Fi before you proceed. Yeah, this is important. Now apps. Now clear the defaults. And now change the home screen to One UI Home, which is your home Samsung screen. Oh, now on apps and Android 10 Common. Now you have the button to uninstall. Just do it. And now you are able to access. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for more.